Alright, so here we go. If you have a keyboard in front of you, you'll notice in the image or on your keyboard the sets of 2 black keys or 3 black keys. So that's how we differentiate and find our C note, which we will find on the left side of the 2 black keys. The first and most common mistake people make is to play this note and think it's C, but it's actually here next to the 2 black keys, not the 3 black keys. So check out the image, find the C note on your keyboard, and from there move upwards: D, E, F, G, and A. Once you've found your A, place your thumb on that note, then skip one and place your middle finger on the C. Then skip one and place your pinky finger on the E. So there you should have a A minor chord. Thumb on A, middle finger on a C, and pinky on an E. This might be hard for you to do right away, but give it a shot really slowly, one finger at a time. And if you'll notice, you're playing a white key, skipping a white key, playing a white key, skipping a white key, and then playing a white key.